Hello students. Good morning. Very good morning. How are you? How are you? Okay. So open your EVS book. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. 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 You turn off your camera and microphone also. Turn off your camera and microphone. Open your EVS textbook. Chapter Good Habits. Okay. Class 2 EVS. Topic Good Habits. Okay. All of you turn off your camera and microphone. Good morning, very good morning. Now today we will do question number B. Okay. Write 3 ways in which you can keep your room clean. Okay. Write 3 ways in which you can keep your room clean. Open your EVS copy and write down quickly, okay? Number B. Write 3 ways in which you can keep your room clean. Number 1. Yes. Keep your toys back in place after playing. Number 2. Throw garbage in a dustbin. And number 3. Sweep our room every day. Turn off your microphone and turn off your camera also. Somagni, Sujan, Devapriya. So the answer is number 1. Keep your toys back in place after playing. And number 2. Throw garbage in a dustbin. And number 3. Sweep our room every day. Okay. So number 1. Keep your or keep our toys keep our toys back in place after playing. Okay, next number 2. Number 2 is throw garbage in a dustbin. Number 2, throw garbage in a dustbin. And number 3, sweep our room every day. Okay, so this is the 3 good habits or 3 ways we can keep our room clean. Okay, number 1, keep our toys back in place after playing. Number 2, throw garbage in a dustbin. And number 3, sweep our room every day. Okay, next, page number 44. Open your EVS book. Page number 44. Write yes or no. Write yes or no. Number 1, we should not wear clean clothes. Number 2, we should shampoo our hair regularly. Number 3, we should keep our toys back in place after playing. And number 4 is, we should drink from our own glass. Okay, so number 1, we should not wear clean clothes. Okay, so answer is number 1. Answer is we should not wear clean cloth. Answer is no. Okay, number 2, we should shampoo our hair regularly. Answer number 2. Yes, Lisa, yes. Okay, very good. Amartya, yes. We should shampoo our hair regularly. Answer is yes. Okay. Okay. Next, number 3. Number 3, we should keep our toys back in place after playing. We should keep our toys back in place after playing. Answer is yes. Number 3, answer is yes. Okay. And next, number 4, we should drink from own glass. We should drink from our own glass. Answer is yes. Okay. Next, number C. Number C. Write yes or no. Okay. So number 1. We should not wear clean clothes. We should not wear clean 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 clothes CLOTHES clothes. Next, number 2. We should shampoo we should shampoo SHAMPOO our hair regularly. Okay. Number 3. We should keep our toys back in place after playing. We should keep our toys back in place after playing. We should keep our toys back back in place after playing. Next, number 4. Yes, Resta. Okay. Next, number 4. Susan. Yes. No. Yes. 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 Okay. Very good. Next, number 4. We should drink from our own glass. We should drink from our own glass. We should drink from our own glass. Okay. Next answer. So, number 1, we should not wear clean clothes. Answer is no. We should not wear clean clothes. Answer no. Next, number 2, we should shampoo our hair regularly. Answer is yes. Why? Yes, yes. Next, number 3. Number 3, we should keep our toys back in place after playing. We should keep our toys back in place after playing. Answer is yes. Why? Yes, yes. Next, number 4. We should drink from our own glass. We should drink from our own glass. Answer is yes. Why? Yes, yes. Okay. So, in this chapter, we have learned that in our some healthy habits or some good habits, this good habits is important in our daily life or in our health. Okay. We must take care of our body to keep it healthy and strong, and in our room we also follow our some good habits. Okay, like throw garbage in a dustbin. Number 2, keep your books back in place after you finish studying. যখন তোমাদের স্টাডি করা কমপ্লিট হয়ে যাবে তখন তোমরা কি করবে, বুকসগুলোকে প্রপার প্লেসে রেখে দেবে, এদিক ওদিক ছড়িয়ে রাখবে না। ওকে, নেক্সট নাম্বার 3, keep your toys back in place after playing. আফটার প্লেয়িংয়ের পর যে টয়েসগুলো নিয়ে তোমরা খেলছিলে সেই প্রপার প্লেসে কী করবে, টয়েসগুলোকে রাখবে। ওকে, অ্যান্ড সাম আদার হেলদি হ্যাবিটস দ্যাটস আর ইট ফ্রম ইয়োর ওন প্লেট। নিজের প্লেট থেকে সবসময় খাবার খাবে, অন্য কারোর প্লেটে খাবার খাবে না। ওকে, ড্রিঙ্ক ফ্রম ইয়োর গ্লাস, নিজের গ্লাসে ওয়াটার ড্রিঙ্ক করবে। ওকে, অ্যান্ড কভার ইয়োর mouth and nose with a hanky. When you cough or sneeze, যখন কাফিং অর স্নিজিং হবে আমাদের, তখন আমরা কি করব, আমাদের মাউথটা হ্যাঙ্কি দিয়ে কভার করে রাখবো। ওকে, যাতে জার্মগুলো আমাদের এনভায়রনমেন্টে স্প্রেড না হয়ে যায়। ওকে, সেই জন্যই আমরা এখন কি করি, হ্যাঁ, মাস্ক ইউজ করি টু কভার আওয়ার মাউথ। ওকে, নেক্সট ডুইং টাইম, পেজ নাম্বার 44, ডুইং টাইম। ওকে, Chico, see this picture, there is a room and there are different types of things like towels, pillow and clothes, bag, books are present here. Yes, see Chico, this is the home or room of Chico. Chico is a lazy and untidy. Are you also like him? Discuss about this picture of his room. We are not like Chico, we are not lazy. Okay, and you also, you are not lazy like Chico, and Chico is so lazy, so they or he do not clean his room properly. Okay, and the book is placed in a floor, pillow is here and there, clothes are on the bed. Okay, and jug is on the floor. So different types of things are scattered on the floor. So and the room is unclean and so dirty. Okay, next number B. Number B, Tina has long untidy hair. She wants, okay, I wish complete it. Okay, and complete your work and submit in my e-portal. Okay, and I will check your copy. Tina, turn off your camera and mute your microphone. Okay, okay, very good, Lisa. Tina has long untidy hair. She wants to clean them and help her to find the correct things that can make her hair clean. So this is Tina, a girl. Okay, and here toothpaste and Okay, this is the pathway. And the upper, toothpaste, brush, and the lower portion, this is nail cutter. Nail cutter. And here it is. Okay, Shujan. Ma'am, I have completed page number 43, 44. Okay, very good. Didi Priya. Okay. So this is toothpaste and brush, and this is, and here shampoo and comb. Okay, shampoo and comb. Tina has long untiddy hair. She wants to clean them and help her to find the correct thing that can make her hair clean. Okay, so Tina goes here. Use shampoo and comb to clean her hair. Okay. Yes, Tina will go to the shampoo and comb to clean the hair. So time is over, and next our chapter good habits is also completed. Next day I will start our new chapter, my family. Okay, my family, new chapter. Okay, bye and have a nice day. Thank you.